Next, we are going to see question number 2. Exercise 3.1, question number 2. Find the inverse if it exists of the following. First subdivision is 2 by 2 matrix. Second subdivision is 3 by 3 matrix. Third subdivision is 3 by 3 matrix. See, in bracket it is given if it exists. The reason is the formula for A inverse or the inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. In some cases you may get determinant A equal to 0. That means, already told you, denominator 0 means this function, this fraction is not defined. That means A inverse is not defined. That is, A inverse does not exist. So we can stop. No need to find adjoint of A. So determinant A may or may not equal to 0. That's why it is given if it exists. Okay. So I am going to start with first subdivision. 1 by 1. That is, first subdivision is 2 by 2 matrix. Call it as A. Let A is equal to 2 by 2 matrix minus 2, 4, 1, minus 3. Look at this. We know the formula for A inverse 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. So we want to calculate first determinant A. It is very easy. Minus 2 into minus 3 is 6. Formula is on minus sign. 4 into 1 is 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2, not equal to 0. So determinant A is not equal to 0. Hence A inverse will exist. That's what I told you. If you are getting determinant A equal to 0, you can conclude hence A inverse does not exist. Then no need to write this part. That is, no need to calculate adjoint A and then formula for A inverse and then substitution. That and all not necessary. Within a line you will get. So here not equal to 0 is very important. Hence A inverse will exist is also very, very important. So if not equal to 0 only, you can go for adjoint of A. Now formula for adjoint of A is matrix Aij whole transpose. That is, for finding adjoint, I am going to start now with shortcut method. So we want to interchange the leading diagonal elements. Minus 2 minus 3 becomes minus 3 minus 2. Then changing the sign for the next element, that is minus 4 minus 1. So this is nothing but adjoint of A. Shortcut method, we can make use this one for finding A inverse. So A inverse formula now 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A, that is equal to 1 by determinant A is 2 into adjoint of A. Substitute it. Next line I am bringing 1 by 2 inside. That means each and every term I am dividing by 2. Minus 3 by 2, minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 by 2, minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. That's all. Now we are moving to second subdivision. See, that is 3 by 3 matrix. I already told you. That is second subdivision is nothing but the matrix 3 by 3 matrix. First row elements 5 1 1, second row elements 1 5 1, third row elements 1 1 5. So I am calling this matrix as A. Let A is equal to this one. First you find out determinant A. I am going to expanding this A along first row. So 5 into the corresponding row and column you delete it. What is the answer? Now find out the determinant. 5 into 5 is 25. 1 into 1 is 1. So minus 1. 25 minus 1. Next, the second element you want to change the sign. It is minus 1. Now the corresponding row and column you delete it. You will get 1 into 5 is 5. Minus 1 into 1 is 1. Next element as it is plus 1 into the corresponding row and column delete it. You will get 1 into 1 is 1. 5 into 1 is 5. So minus 5. So you will get 5 into 24 minus 1 into 4 plus 1 into minus 4. So 5 into 24 is 120 minus 4 minus 4. So 120 minus 8 is 112. So here very important point is not equal to 0. Hence A inverse will exist. Yes. Now we are going to start out with adjoint of A. So adjoint of A, the formula is matrix Aij whole transpose. What is it? That is called signed minor. That is nothing but minus 1 power I plus j mij power transpose. That is minus 1 power I plus j into minor whole transpose. So for this calculation of this signed minor, we are going to use rough work. So I will start now with rough work by using the matrix A matrix. So first you have to delete first row and first column elements. So you will get column 5115, that you have to write it 5115. Then you have to consider this 11. Then you have to take the next one 51. So starting is 51, ending is also 51. Next, third row, delete third row and first column. You will get the two columns. You write one by one, 1511, 1511. Again you have to take the next one, that is called 51. Again 15. So starting is 15, ending is also 15. So this is our rough work. Now we are going to start with adjoint of A. We written the formula. So now signed minor. So for that one I am going to use rough work calculation, whole transpose. What is a rough work calculation? Finding determinant for first row and first column elements. So you will get 5 into 5 is 25. 1 into 1 is 1, that is minus 1. Now next you take the next 4 elements. 1 into 1 1. 1 into 5 is 5 minus 5. Again last 4 elements. 1 into 1 is 1. 5 into 1 is 5, that is minus 5. Then you have to take the second row and third row elements. 1 into 1 1. 5 into 1 5 minus 5, 1 minus 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 1 into 1 is 1. 25 minus 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 5 is 5, that is minus 5. Then we are going to third row and fourth row. 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 5. So 1 minus 5. 1 into 1 is 1, 5 into 1 is minus 5. 5 into 5, 25. 1 into 1 is 1, so minus 1, whole transpose. So simplify this, you will get 24. This is minus 4. This is minus 4. This is minus 4. This is 24. This is minus 4. This is minus 4. This is minus 4. This is 24, whole transpose. Transpose means we have to interchange rows and columns. So your first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column. This is only adjoint of A. Now we want to find out A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. That is 1 by determinant A. We calculated that value is 112. Substitute it 1 by 112 into adjoint. This is called your adjoint. Okay. So which is equal to now bringing 112, 1 by 112 inside. That is we want to divide each and every term by 112. You will get 24 by 112 minus 4 by 112 minus 4 by 112 minus 4 by 112 24 by 112 minus 4 by 112 minus 4 by 112 minus 4 by 112 24 by 112. The last I am going to dividing by 8. 8 3s are 24. Here 1 time 8 will come. The remaining 8 9 10 11 12 4 8, 9, 10, 11, 3, 32. 32 means 4 times will come. Similarly here 4 divided by 4 1 time. Here 2 times 8, 9, 10, 11, 3, 32 means 8 times. So minus 1 by 28. Similarly minus 1 by 28, minus 1 by 28. This is 3 by 14. This is minus 1 by 28. This is minus 1 by 28, minus 1 by 28. This is so 1 by this is 24 by 112 is 3 by this is 3 by 14. Okay, that's all. Second subdivision is over. Now we are going for the last subdivision, that is called third subdivision. Look at the question. Question number 2. Exercise 1.1, third subdivision. This is third subdivision. This one I am going to take it as A. So let A is equal to, that is the first line is let A is equal to the given matrix. Find out determinant A, that is equal to, I am going to expanding along first row, that is 2 into the corresponding row and column, delete it. You will get it as 4 into 2. Find out determinant. 4 into 2 is 8. 8. Formula is 1 minus 1 into 7 is 7. So 8 minus 7. Then while going for the next, you will get minus 3 into the corresponding row and column, delete it, you will get 6 minus 3. Then plus 1 into the corresponding row and column, delete it, 3 into 7 is 21, minus 4 into 3 is 12. So 2 into simplify, this is called 1, minus 3 into this is 3, plus 1 into this is called 9. So 2 minus 9 plus 9, minus 9 plus 9 get cancelled, equal to 2, which is not equal to 0. So determinant A value equal to 2, not equal to 0, then only A inverse will exist. So there we have to write, hence A inverse will exist. Okay. Now we want to find out adjoint of A. Formula is matrix Aij whole transpose. That is equal to minus 1 power I plus j into Mij whole transpose. That is, this is called signed minor whole transpose. For finding signed minor, we are going to make use rough work. How will you find rough work? Now, in the matrix A, delete the first row and first column elements. You will get 4, 7, okay, 4, 7, 4, 7, 1, 2. Then you have to take 3, 3, again 4, 7. Am I right? Similarly, delete last row and first column. You will get 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3. See, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, again 3, 4. That's all. This is my rough work. So, your adjoint of A is equal to, so we want to calculate for this one, that is called signed minor. We want to make use this rough work. So, for first and second row, find out the determinant for each 4. 4 into 2 is 8, minus 1 into 7, 7, minus 7. So, 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 2 is 6, minus 6. 3 into 7, 21, minus 4 into 3, 12. Similarly, for second and third row, 7 into 1 is 7, 3 into 2 is 6, minus 6. 2 into 2, 4, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. 3 into 3, 9, minus 7 into 2 is 14. Then third and fourth one, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 3 is 3, minus 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 4 is 8, minus 3 into 3 is 9. The whole transpose. Now that is equal to simplify. This is 1, minus 3, this is 9. This is 1, 1, this is minus 5. This is minus 1, 1, minus 1, whole transpose. That is interchanging the rows and columns. So your first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column. So we are going to substitute in the formula because we want to find out A inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. That is 1 by determinant A is nothing but 2. We already calculated determinant A value is equal to 2. So 1 by 2 into, just now we calculated adjoint of A, that you substitute it, you will get the solution. Hence